MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Ayah number one. Oh.
India, Nepali, Philippines.
Wow, man, 12 kg.
For 12 kilo, it's big, yeah.
Yeah, man, this one very big. It's good looking also. Nice design. Very nice. Okay, I will remove this one later. Oh, निकालेगा बाद में निकालेगा मुश्किल है आप छोड़.
Okay.
For cold and for hot. And the drainage also to give in case if anything inside. Wow, new model. It's good. This one here they have the catalog, star rating, 12 kg, and the drainage pipe, water inlet pipe for the hot water, cold water, and this one area for the filter. Good. This one is stainless steel drum, softener, detergent. Hot, warm, cold. 12 kg. See, we have displayed here. It's a direct motor. Oh, so it means no belt. This one direct motor, pare. Mention direct motor. No. Very good, premium look. Regular, eco, mix, bulky, synthetic, drum cleaning, then cotton, express, delicate, wool, jeans, and favorite. Whatever you selected it before, it can appear here. Favorite. Wow, that's nice, and new things, especially in the top load. It's a good one. We'll remove the. Oh, why not coming out, baby? It's good, really good. Premium model. I can see here the from UAE standard. 33,800 liters per year, 12 kilogram and 12 kilowatt per year annual energy consumption. The model number for this is HWM120-B1678S8. That's good. Energy level, and also for this one, I can see here it's D. I think it's from Oman. Oman they give D, and from the UAE they mentioned it 5-star. Wow, anyway it's good. Now